Hello guys, this is Yu-Chun. Today I just want to demo this app to you guys. So this app is called BYU-I Trust Eat. It was designed and done by 3 students, including Philip, Joyce, and myself. So the reason we designed this project is because I feel like sometimes when I try to find a restaurant, like at Idaho, like in Rexburg or Idaho Falls area, I was having a hard time to know which restaurant is good and which restaurant I want to go to. So we designed this for all the BYU-I students, professors, and faculty to use. So let me show this real quick. So we use Google API to pull 40 restaurants, 20 in the Rexburg area, the other 20 in the Idaho Falls area. So there's a search bar, you can put in Rexburg and show you all the 20 Rexburg restaurants. You can also click Idaho Falls, it show you all the 20. I added one for testing. I want to do a testing to show you guys later. You also can search by name. There's I also search Applebee. Then you also can search like Applebee and it will show up right here. You also can do sort by ratings. But you do need to change your filter back to all. And let me clean this up real quick. So if I do a sort by rating, so we have some real BYU-I students submitted their reviews already. As you can see, if I do sort by rating, because rating is 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, etc. Okay. You also can do sort by price right here. So the price, of course, as a student, we want to see the cheapest one first. So price low to high. And this is a test restaurant I created. I'm gonna go through this later. But you can sort by price and you scroll down. Down here is the most expensive one. All right. So, and also, if you want, you can add a restaurant. So let me do this real quick. So time to add a new restaurant. And with this form, we also provide like error validation. For example, if you scroll down, you cannot really add a new restaurant because you haven't entered all the required information yet. Let's say if I do this, I skip to here, I do a task, okay. And see, it reminds me that, oh, please enter a restaurant name, okay. Let me do a task 2 restaurant, okay. The city, right now we only provide Rexburg, Idaho Falls. Let's do Rexburg, the phone number. Let's just do some random phone number. Types, let's say this is an American burgers stack. So it's around here. Cool, perfect. Price range 1 to 5. Let's say this is very expensive. And website and URL to image is not required. So now this button is enabled. Let me add a restaurant. Cool. So it redirects, take me back to the home page. Now, if we do a search, so this is the restaurant I added earlier, but this is the one I just barely added, test 2, 0 reviews. So let me write a review real quick. So if you click, if the user didn't provide any image, this is the default image we use, which is very nice. It's the same as our logo. Now, let me add a review real quick. Okay. So let me do a test user. So select a rating, and this form has all the error validation as well. You cannot submit because I haven't filled out all the information yet. So let me do a test. The title is test. It's a test. Now I can submit. Cool. So now, as you can see here, this is a 3-star review. So it shows 1 review, 3-star. Now I'm gonna add a 5-star review, and 5 plus 3 divided by 2 will be 4. So this should change to 2 reviews and 4-star. This is the overall review for this restaurant. So let me add another review real quick. So I'm gonna do test 2. Let me do 5 this time. And test. Okay, as you can see here. So like what I say, 5 plus 3 divided by 2. So 4-star, 2 reviews. Awesome. Now let me go to the homepage real quick. So I do want to show you that adding reviews to a new restaurant is working. Now, this is a restaurant which already exists. I also want to show you that it works if you try to add a review to an existing restaurant, which comes from our backend, our database, basically. So let me show you that's working too. So I added the 3 fake reviews earlier for testing purpose. Now I'm gonna do a test. I'm gonna do 5, test. Perfect. So it's working as well, not breaking anything. Cool. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 17, 17 divided by 4, so which is this guy right here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this is our app, and I'm gonna attach our GitHub link down below, so you can check out what technology we use to build this and all the details. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave comments if you have any suggestions or feedback. Appreciate that. See you guys.